is my birthday.
When?
Tomorrow.
How many hours?
3 hours.
Okay, now why must I let you open up your present?
Because it is my birthday.
Okay, another reason?
And you said I can open my present.
Oh, why are you talking like a parrot? It's not your birthday, you can open up your birthday on your presents, yes. I mean, on your birthday, yes. It's not your birthday yet. Maybe because you want to go to sleep and you want it now.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to see what it does.
Oh, what is it? Do you know what your present is?
It's a Power Ranger where they go big and they combine to each other.
Okay. You give Daddy 1 more minute, I gotta talk to Mommy, okay? How old are you? Oh, I got it wrong way around.
Fine.
Fine. How old are you?
I'm
11?
no,
7?
no,
6?
no.
8?
Yes.
Wow! What is that down there?
My present.
Is it?
Yeah?
Go for it, Aiden. Rip. Awesome, what is it?
Power Ranger with a combine.
Yeah! Open it, let me see. Wow, Mommy. Let me see. Wow.
I do get this out.
Happy?
Yeah.
Up. That's tight there. That's why we can't get it out.
The scissor is there.
Huh?
There is a scissor there.
Where?
There on the table there.
I think there's a scissors. I got it. You know what it does? I hope it's not that thing. Batteries, I didn't get batteries.
And it's plastic.
Yeah, look at it. Oh, it's quick. There we go. Yours all. There's one half. There's two half. All yours.